Inktober box from Art Snacks, so I figured I would open that. It was supposed to come yesterday, but I don't know, it got delayed somehow. But anyway, excited for this. This is what I started. This is what I started my channel with last year. I did Inktober. Open like that guy. Oh, I love these bags. Oh, these are even better. These are like plastic on the outside too. Oh, I love these. I think I still have the one from last year. So let's see. Oh my God, look how cute that is. Oh, it's a little kitty. Oh my God, how cute is that? Oh, this is the same paper that that they sent last year, but they sent it in the pad, and I made a sketchbook out of it. I know, it's a little kitty. Oh my God, that is so freaking cute. That is so cute. It's a little kitty, a little ghost. And I keep saying it's a kitty. Okay, let's get this out. Okay, so let's see. This is India ink. The yellow ochre, so that's different. That'll be good. Sort of a fall color. This, I think I have this. The Sennelier Abstract Acrylic Ink in Rose, Venetian Pink. I do think I have this, but that's also a good color for fall colors. I just love this. I don't know if I'm going to use this though, because it's little. I kind of want to use, I want to use something bigger, so we'll see. I was kind of thinking I would make like a special sketchbook, a larger format one for Inktober. So what I might do is go to Michael's and get some big paper and make it like a 9 by 12 if I can find something that's 18 by 24. I think I can. And it doesn't have to be, this is watercolor paper too, so it doesn't have to be, well, it's 100% cotton. It's not specifically, actually, what does it say? 100% rag fine art paper. It didn't say cotton. Anyway, I think I'm gonna make a bigger, but I don't like to work that small. So, okay, so this is Fine Line Ink Pen Set. I wonder if everybody gets different colors. So, King Art. I need a piece of paper. Oh, I guess I could use that. I don't want to wreck that. I don't want to waste that. That's good paper. So these are different sizes. Yes, so I've got 005, 01, 02, 03, 05, and 08. So those are usual. So that's the smallest. Two. There's two. I think oh no, you have food. Did I do that wrong? No, that's 3, 5, and 8. So these are nice. If you can see the difference, they all look about the same, but they are thicker. So that's the smallest and the largest. So those would be good. I wonder if I should use just, because last year I didn't. I was going to say if I should use just the products that I get in this. We'll see what else I get. So I love this little bag. Right, this, oh my God, stickers. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, they match the sketchbook. That is so freaking cute. Oh my God, I love stickers. Okay, oh, there's the list. This is, and I believe that this, last year, this list was different from whatever they put out. Maybe the Art Snacks put out a different list someplace, but I know people were working on different prompts from what I was doing last year. I got some cherry, I don't know, Airheads, is that taffy? It's very, I don't know. I don't like taffy. I'm very picky about candy. Oh, I love these. The Velvet Touch. This is a round 6. And I will definitely use this. I love these brushes. I don't think I'll use it for ink though. I'm very precious with these. I usually save them for watercolor. Oh, I love how they feel. All right, so there's that. Yeah, I'm probably not going to just use this box because I'll probably use like a cheap brush when I'm painting with ink. There's a big fat pit pen. I don't think I have this color. Oh, that's nice. That's very similar to this. It's another fall color. I have a collection of these. I probably got, I don't know, 10 different colors, but I don't think I have this color. It's green gold is the color. This is in Japanese, and it's zebra. That's just a fine line black ink pen. I can't see a size or anything, but it's pretty small. Signo, my favorite. I love these. Yeah, that's good. Signo white ink. I love that. And then the last one is a pocket brush pen. Let's see about this. And it's got a couple of cartridges with it. So that means it doesn't come with one. Oh, it's a nice brush too. So, no, you have to stick one in there. So let's do that. I wonder if there's any difference. Or if they're the same. Yeah, they're the same. Can I just stick that in there? Or do I have to push it? Okay. How do you get it to start working? I love brush pens. Do you just shake it, or what's going to happen? Maybe you can twist it or something. How about if I squeeze it a little? I don't know how to get this going. There's no way to... Does it say on here what to do? Refill. Remove cap and screw barrel. Press firmly. Replace barrel. Hold pen vertically with tip down until it drains into it. Well... Okay, it's coming out now. So what kind of ink is this? Permanent or? Right, it's coming out slowly. There you go. Looks like India ink. It's really, really dark. All right, that should be fun. And with a second cartridge, I should be able to get through the month of October. All right, so that is it for the box. These are the prompts, if you want to see those. I'm trying to hold them where you can see them. So this should be interesting. Usually, well, some of these, I think, I don't know, maybe a lot of them. Last year I just took, I think they were mostly single word prompts, so I just took the word and I stuck it into like one of the copyright free photo sites, and I would just put the word in, and whatever pictures came up I would choose the one I liked the most. So is this in your way? There you go. But I don't know, I may put these in anyway just to get an idea. So anyway, that'll be fun. So I will be doing that for the month of October. I think I'll still continue to do one a week. So this is going to be Friday, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, so you'll get 1 through 6, and then 7 through 13, 14 through 20, 21 through 27, and then maybe I'll do an extra one to get those 3 on there, or I'll do something else and put those on the following Friday. So that's it. I'm excited for this. I love these little stickers. Oh, I'm so happy. And I really love this. That's so cute. Wonder who designed that. Did it say? It says Toxic Moxie on here, so that must be the person who did the designs. That is so freaking cute. All right, so that's it. So we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.